Good afternoon. President Barack Obama is making Ron Klain his point man in the fight against Ebola at home and in West Africa. He is a former chief of staff to Vice President Joe Biden.
The White House said that Klain would report to National Security Advisor Susan Rice and to Homeland Security and Counterterrorism Advisor Lisa Monaco. Ryan Nobles now has more from Washington.
His name is Ron Klain, and he has a long history of government service, serving as the chief of staff to two different vice presidents. He's now tasked with taking on a threat that is currently small, but has Americans worried.
What a czar, what a coordinator can do is make sure that the Department of Homeland Security is acting in concert with the Centers for Disease Control and the Department of Health and Human Services.
Reports of potential cases have sparked fears across the country. A bridal shop in Ohio has quarantined at least 2 employees where Amber Vinson, a Dallas nurse diagnosed with the virus after treating an Ebola patient, went for wedding planning. A Carnival cruise ship off the coast of Belize has quarantined a Dallas healthcare worker who handled Ebola samples from that same patient. And the Pentagon shut down a parking lot where a worker vomited and told police she had recently returned from Africa. That's prompting state and local leaders to try and calm the fears of their citizens.
The odds of a specific person contracting Ebola are still exceptionally remote.
Nina Pham, the first of the Dallas healthcare workers to contract Ebola, seemed in good spirits in this YouTube video posted by the Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital. She's being treated at an NIH hospital in Maryland.
We fully intend to have this patient walk out of this hospital.
All this now in front of President Obama's new Ebola czar, who will work to streamline the process and calm fears across America. In Washington, I'm Ryan Nobles.
The White House says it expects Ebola coordinator Klain to be in that role for about 5 to 6 months.